We will be making a dish with spinach and rice today. I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot. Let's also add half a tablespoon of tomato paste to it. I will now fry it for a few minutes. Then, I am adding 250 grams of spinach to the pot. I will saute it together with the tomato paste and then add a palmful of rice to it. I am now pouring 1.5 cups of water on it. If you'd like your dish to be soupy, you can add more water. Let's sprinkle some salt now and leave it to simmer on low heat. When the rice is soft and nicely cooked, it means our dish is ready. You can add a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes to it as well. It's time to turn off the heat now. You can optionally add some yogurt on this dish when serving. If you liked our recipe, please do not forget to press the like button. Enjoy!